Well, as the trial of accused mobster Whitey Bulger winds down, the judge makes a key decision, rejecting a request to sequester the jury. The defense telling the judge that newspapers are, quote, sensationalizing the story. Imagine that, saying they don't want jurors to read bad headlines about their client. But the judge saying she will not inconvenience these jurors. Defense attorneys also calling a retired FBI agent to the stand, trying to prove Whitey was never a rat. The trial could wrap up this week. Bulger might still take the stand. The judge saying she will ask his defense team at the end of the day whether he will testify or not. Joining us now, our legal panel, Esther Panich, a criminal defense attorney, and Philip Snyder, a former prosecutor. But Philip, his defense attorneys already said in opening arguments that he is guilty of several crimes. Supposedly, his goal is, if he's going to prison, he doesn't want to go in there being known as a snitch and a killer of women. If that's the case, why not testify? I mean, how much more harm could he do to his own case?
That's true. I mean, you know those big scissors that people have when they open up for businesses? That's what the prosecution's going to do to him. They are going to cut him up. But here's the thing in this case. You're right. He's already likely going to prison. He might want to go down fighting and say, you know what? I didn't kill ththose women, and I'm not a rat. I'll spend the rest of my life in prison, but I am not a rat. And that might be his sole reason for taking the stand.
Right, Philip, why not put the jury, in a hotel room until they come up with a decision?
Well, here's the thing. I would agree with Esther had this discussion been made at the beginning of the case. We're at the 11th hour already. These jurors have already prepared not to be sequestered, and that wasn't really mentioned in jury selection, it's my understanding. So at this point, it's too late. That ship has sailed. The jury will not be sequestered, and I think at this point in time, it's the right call.
Philip Snyder, Esther Panich, we will continue to watch the Whitey Bulger case. Thank you.